Good morning to my lovely children. I hope you all are doing good. So today is 11th July and yesterday we had done question answers and book exercise. We will continue and how we have to maintain the copy. Okay, so today we will continue with the question answers. I am going to read it and make you understand what is written in the question and what is the answer of that question. Okay, so the third question is again I'm going to share these question answers with you through pictures. So I'm going to read. Third question is, write any two family values that must be followed in every family. Okay, so you have to write any two values जो हर फैमिली में फॉलो होना चाहिए, which should be mandatory in every family. Okay, so the answer is that we should help family members whenever they require. See, so most of the time I have seen that children, they don't pay attention that how hard work their mothers do in the kitchen. So they just avoid, they just go out and play, and when they come tired at home, they demand different kind of food, some snacks from their mother. So like this is fine if they are doing that, they are kids, but they should also help their mother in kitchen also, है ना? And another example I can give that whenever your father comes from office, then आप जाके पानी का ग्लास दे दीजिए to your father. So that is also a very helping nature to show your parents, right? So and by parents you should also help anyone if they required, your friends, your teachers, your family, every if a teachers भी हो, you can help me also, because that is a very good trait as a student कि आप अपने टीचर्स की हेल्प करें, अपनी फैमिली मेम्बर्स की हेल्प करें. ओके, एंड सेकेंड पॉइंट इज वी शुड ओबे एंड लुक आफ्टर अवर एल्डर्स. वी शुड ऑलवेज लुक आफ्टर अवर एल्डर्स because when they get old they need us. So we should give them support, that we are always there for them and look after them because they become weak to do their things. So हमें उनकी हेल्प करनी चाहिए. So and they are more experienced also, so we should also obey them. जो भी वो हमें सिखाते हैं, we should always obey them. Third, be tolerant with your elders and never raise your voice. Okay, sometimes we see that हम बहुत बार देखते हैं कि बच्चे गुस्से में आके they raise their voice in front of their parents and any elder person. They should not do that because whatever elder people teach us, they teach us for our good. So we should not raise our voice in front of them because it shows also a disrespect, है ना? So these are the 3 points, because I know in the question it was written only 2 but I have written 3 और ये तो मैंने लिखा है. अगर आपके पेरेंट्स को कोई ऐसी चीज़ लगती है कि ये वैल्यू तो होना ही चाहिए फैमिली में, तो यू कैन चेंज इट ऑल्सो. ओके, so and now the fourth question is, who is uncle? The brothers of one's father or mothers are called uncles. Okay, and the husbands of one's parents or sisters are also called uncle. So जो हमारे पेरेंट्स होते हैं, उनके ब्रदर्स जिनको हम हिंदी में चाचा एंड मामा बुलाते हैं, बट इंग्लिश वी कॉल देम अंकल. ओके, एंड द हस्बैंड्स और वंस पेरेंट, और किसी आप जैसे फ्रेंड है उनके पेरेंट हो गए मेल तो उनको हम अंकल बुलाते हैं, और सिस्टर उनको हम अंकल एंड आंट बुलाते हैं. ओके, सो द फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन इज, हु डू यू कॉल योर पैटर्नल ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स? आप अपने पैटर्नल ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स किसको कहते हैं? सो मैं आपको ये क्वेश्चन समझाऊँ उसके पहले आई विल टीच यू व्हाट इज पैटर्नल एंड मैटर्नल. ओके, पैटर्नल ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स एंड maternal grandparents are those parents. See, relatives of my parents' sides are called paternal, and relatives of my mother's side are called maternal. Okay, तो जो रिलेशन मेरे पापा के साइड से होंगे उन्हें पैटर्नल वर्ड दिया गया है, जो रिलेशंस मेरे मदर के साइड से होंगे उन्हें मैटर्नल दिया गया है. सो द आंसर इज, जैसे मैं आपको एग्जाम्पल भी दे देती हूँ, जैसे यहाँ पे पैटर्नल का पूछा है, बट आई एम गिविंग यू एग्जाम्पल ऑफ मदर मैटर्नल. ओके, सपोज योर मदर्स मदर will be your maternal grandmother. Your mother's father, then that person will be your maternal grandfather. Okay, so here the question was, who do you call your paternal grandparents, right? So paternal, which means जो आपके father के side से relations हो. So the answer is father's father or mother are called paternal grandparents. So जो आपके पापा के साइड के your father's father, आपके पापा के पापा, आपके पापा के मम्मा, उनको आप paternal grandparents कहेंगे. Okay, so from father's side we use the word paternal, from mother's side we use the word maternal. Okay, so we have completed answer the following questions now, and now we will go to the HOTS. HOTS भी हम we will start from new page. अगर आपके answers अगर इतना पेज भी आपका छूट रहा है then you have to leave that page and you have to start HOTS from next page, new page, and on the top you have to write HOTS, HOTS. This is the short form. The full form of HOTS is higher order thinking question. Okay, higher order thinking question का मतलब ये होता है that the question will be out of the box. It will be related to the chapter, but it will be out of the box, which can show the creativity of children and how much children have understood the chapter. Okay, so here HOTS question is, how is your mother related to your paternal grandparents? In Hindi, the question meaning is, आपकी जो mother है, okay, your mother, how she is related to your paternal ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स. तो जो आपकी मम्मा है वो आपके दादा दादी से क्या रिलेशन रखते हैं और वो कैसे आपसे जुड़ी हुई हैं. सो दिस इज़ द हॉट्स क्वेश्चन. आई विल मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो, बट यू हैव टू थिंक विथ योर पेरेंट्स हेल्प, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर द पिक्चर ऑल्सो, बट यू हैव टू डिस्कस विथ योर पेरेंट्स फर्स्ट सो दैट योर क्रिएटिविटी गेट्स इंक्रीज. एंड उसके बाद मैं आपको खुद तो वैसे भी समझा ही दूँगी. So this is how we have completed the chapter. We have completed the question answers part. Now the last part of the chapter is the last part of the chapter is activity 2, which you will do in the on the blank page. Okay, so the question is paste 2 pictures. So the activity will be like paste 2 pictures of some family gatherings and also list the family members that were present in those gatherings. Okay, gatherings, you know, when we do get together when there is an occasion, तो आपको उसी occasion के 2 pictures यहाँ पे paste करने हैं. You have to paste those pictures and then make a column and write the relations. Okay, जो उस picture में present हैं. Suppose I will paste here picture of my parents' wedding. Okay, so here I will write who were present there. With my parents' help, I will ask them who were present in their on their wedding. So I will write if in that picture my uncle will be present, I will write my uncle's name, uncle. If my grandfather will be there, I will write grandfather and his name. So this is how you have to do. You have to paste the picture of any gathering of your family and you have to write relations here. Okay, so this is how we have completed the chapter 1, meet my family. We have completed the book exercise and question answers and everything. If you have any query, then please ask me. If you have any doubt related to chapter, please WhatsApp the question, and if you need any help while doing the copy work, then please contact me and ask. I'm always there ready to help. So from the next video we will start the second chapter. So have a nice day and take care. Bye.